Good morning, Xander. What are you doing?
More lines on Aaron's car. This one's a fuel line now.
Okay.
I'm trying to get this started. Just don't want to strip it. I'll do this one on here.
You want to trade places?
Yeah.
Here, can you do this? I'll do that. Okay, so we got to do just a minor tweak. In. In. Huh. That's weird.
What happened?
Just the angle.
Oh, yeah. They start on their own, but they won't start when you have one and the other.
Yeah.
So it's just the game of keep trying. You have the one down there in?
Yep. You guys get the idea. We'll tinker with this a little bit more to get that done. And then it's going back up in the air, and we will finish all of the brake lines, get that taken care of. We're a little behind this morning. Not much, thank God. But yeah, on that note, we'll let you guys go. Have a good one.